welcome back to the channel. We have some unboxing to get on with today, so we'll get these unwrapped and see what it is we can sell and make a decent profit with. So it's been a little while since we've had an unboxing video. I've tried to tame it down a little bit on stock, and rather than just buy, try and just replacing one for one. But if there's always a bargain that pops up, then I'll be buying it regardless. So we've got a few bits in this video just to unbox and see what I've got. They're mainly from Vinted. There are a few eBay ones, but the vast majority are Vinted. So the first one we've got here is a blue 25 or 27 centimeter oval casserole dish. It's one of the original ones. It's not a signature piece. But this is just the casserole, so the lid is missing. That's why it was fairly cheap to get it. On the inside, you can see it's pretty clean. It won't take much to do that. But now it'll be the case of cleaning that up, and I'll keep it aside, and then I'll just keep searching for the matching lid, even if that comes without a knob. Then the lid's roughly no more than 20 normally, or I wouldn't pay more than 20. And then that'll be a complete dish then. It might sit for a little while just because of not so much the colour, but the odds of there being an oval dish lid might struggle a little bit. But our second one we have is a vintage orange flame volcanic round casserole dish. Again, size E. So size E corresponds to 24 centimetres in how they're labelled now. They use letters originally on the early stuff. So E is 24. But the orange, as you can see from condition-wise, used, but nothing major at all. It won't take much to clean this up. Then also the lid also gives it away. It has no Le Creuset lettering on the lid. That shows its age a little bit as well. So 2 out of 2 so far, which is going well. And there'll be good money involved once they're up and listed. And then on to a third item. So these are the green soup bowls, and then soup like serving bowls. But as we can see, with it being ceramic, it needs a lot more protection than it has done. So there are the big main soup bowl, and then the 2 serving. And this is off Vinted, no surprise. But this is how it arrived. So nowhere near enough packaging for how fragile the items are. I didn't want to put my hands in too far because I could hear it jingling just by sliding the box over. But all broken. I think maybe one survived, but that was the packaging that was then put inside the larger one, and as you can see from that, is smashed to pieces, which is no good for reselling. I have opened a case and all the usual, took all the pictures that Vintage require when this sort of stuff happens. That was all done, and since then I have been refunded, so all good. I'll still sell the 2 things that the lid I'll glue back together, and I'll keep the big lid as a spare, but 3 items at the end of the day. But hopefully the seller learned a lesson. She might consider packaging things a bit better from now on, or just come off the platform altogether if you don't feel confident enough to sell. So supporting small businesses, that's what we're all about on the YouTube eBay Vinted game. Supporting each other, buying each other's stuff, looking out for bargains, spotting things that are a little rare, and then put it on forums and whatnot. But our 4th item is the little frying pans that the crews have. So cast iron, like obviously all the stuff, but I think they list it as an omelette pan. So they are 20 centimeters. You can also get an 18 centimeter. They're part of a 2-in-1 frying pan and saucepan. So you can sell them, obviously. You can sell the saucepans on their own if you wish, and you can sell the frying pans on their own. But that will clean up quite well. It'll go away to have the interior recoated. I clean it to an extent, but I never sell them as they are. You get better money once they've been tied up. So this one, there was a noise rattling this one, and I had a feeling that maybe one of the handles was broken. So I was quite relieved, obviously, once I had opened it up, that wasn't the case. But I wanted to open it up as soon as I got it because of the noise. I would have run out of my time on Vinted to report any problems. But packaging wise, it's okay. It's not the best. But it's a 26 centimetre shallow brazier or casserole dish. And then obviously the noise was just a spare lid, which is a genuine one, and then obviously a non-gin on it. The interior is pretty good to a certain degree. It's got a tiny chip in it, but nothing too bad. Exterior wise, it's just the usual wear with a little bit of dirt, a little bit of grease, food that's burnt on. That'll all come off pretty easily. So, and then obviously just the spare knob. And that's it for today's haul. So there we go. That is everything unboxed. We'll sort that in a second. And then obviously the ceramic stuff that's turned up completely broken. Packaging nowhere near good enough. So I'm going to have an hour or so having back and forth with Vinted to see if they agree that it's broken, because it is Vinted after all. And I'll get these other bits in to wash. If you're enjoying the content, please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.